For many years I had a DJI drone, and there was the DJI Neo. I bought it in a good price and I enjoyed that drone very much. But as many other drones, the DJI Neo had many limitations, and 3 of those limitations is the one that I'm going to erase it today, because today I've got myself the brand new DJI Mini 4K. And the 3 limitations that I had that I'm about to erase are the following. First of all, now I can fly at night. With the DJI Neo, forget about it, you wouldn't even start. Second of all, I can fly over the water. With DJI Neo, no deal, it goes down, straight down in, and forget about it, it's gone for good. And the best one, obviously, is the last one. I have a much better image quality with the DJI Mini 4K. So I'm about to fly the drone right now and show you some beautiful images of my city, the city of Melbourne at night. And I hope you enjoy that, and I'll get back to you at the end to give you my last word and conclusion about this video. Let's get it started. Now that I've got everything set and ready to go, the first thing I'll do, I'll start the engines. As you can see, the drone is now started. I will start record from this point on from the drone, so the drone is now recording, and first thing is I'll go up. So I will be flying up first, get a good altitude, make sure I'm avoiding the wires. As you can see, I'm just going to fly over the lights over there, and once I am around here, if you're not aware, the back of this bridge is actually the city of Melbourne. So I'm just trying to get some altitude. I'm about 35-40 meters up in the air now, and what I'll do now, I'll fly forward towards the Melbourne and the bridge. So now I am over the water, something I couldn't do with the Neo, but very pleased to do it with the DJI Mini 4K. I am getting closer and closer to the Neo at the bridge at the moment. I cannot see much. It's a beautiful view, by the way. So what I'll do now, I'll gain a little bit more altitude. So I'm gonna go up a little, and then I'm gonna twist to the right here to see the bridge. That's in the city of Melbourne, is just up there. So I'm flying towards the city of Melbourne. I'm at 137 meters away. The drone is 137 meters away from me, and that's 60 meters above water, above level. I'm just pushing forward at the moment and showing you all how cool it is to fly at night and have these beautiful images recorded. I could go all the way to the city of Melbourne, but I will not do that. I'm very close to the bridge, as you can see there. It's not close, but it is sort of close-ish. The image shows the bridge, the cars, and the city above the bridge there. I'll get some more altitude. I believe I put the maximum altitude at 80 meters. I'm now at 65 meters. This way I sort of miss the bridge. I'm actually on top of the bridge right now at 75 meters high, and what I'll do, I'm just gonna go a sort of a pen move to the left or right here. My right, they left, your left probably, and just to show this beautiful image of the city of Melbourne right there. Wonderful, and over the bridge as well, all the cars. So excited. That's something I could not do with the battery is at 76%. It's flattening real quick here, so I will hand up this video just by bringing the drone back. As you can see, it's a beautiful image of the city of Melbourne, and also the bridge, Westgate Bridge, and under me here is the water, which is the Yarra River. I was just lower my drone. Ooh, that's up. Lower my drone. So under there is the water, as you can see there, and up here is the bridge. Okay, and I am gonna fly the drone back. I'll leave you with these beautiful images of the drone flying back, and then I'll get back to you and give you my last conclusion and my feelings about this video. Well, as you saw, I just landed the drone DJI Mini 4K. I am super satisfied with this drone, especially in comparison with the DJI Neo that I had in the past. I'm pretty sure there's better drones out there, but I'm super happy with this one, and I don't intend to upgrade anytime sooner. So it's a big upgrade, it's a massive improvement, which it fulfills all the needs that I have with a drone, which is to fly over water, fly at night, and have acceptable image quality that doesn't look digital. So by saying that, if you are thinking about upgrading from a Neo to a Mini 4K, please do so, because you will not regret. You will absolutely love it. I never leave you dry. Make sure to also watch this video over here which is a comparison between the DJI Neo and DJI Mini 4K. Or if you prefer, you can watch this video here, which is the video YouTube believes is better suitable for you. In the middle here where my face is, click on it, click on the subscribe button and click on notification bell so you don't miss my very next video.